In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a custom background in Zoom. Changing your Zoom background can add a personal touch to your virtual meetings, turning a mundane environment into something visually interesting and engaging. Whether you want to hide a cluttered room or simply wish to present a more polished image to your colleagues, this guide will help you learn how to easily set a custom background using the built-in options in Zoom. First, you'll want to make sure you have the latest version of Zoom. Keeping the software updated ensures you have access to all the latest features and improvements. Once you're set, let's dive into the process. Start by opening the Zoom application on your computer. Look for the video icon, which is typically located near the bottom left corner of the Zoom home screen. Next to this video icon, you should see a small arrow pointing upwards. Click on this arrow. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to your video settings and preferences. Within this menu, look for the option labeled Video and Effect Settings. Click on it and a new window will appear, allowing you to customize various video settings. This is where the fun begins, and you'll find the background and effects settings that will let you change how others see your video during calls. In this new window, navigate to the section that deals with virtual backgrounds. Here you will see several default options provided by Zoom, but our goal is to use a custom image, so you'll need to look for a small blue plus sign. It may appear next to the list of preset backgrounds or within a button labeled Add, but it's generally easy to spot. Clicking on this blue plus sign will prompt you to add a new image from your computer's storage. This is where you get to be creative. Choose a high quality image that you would like to use as your virtual background. Remember that the better the image's resolution, the clearer and more professional it will look on your calls. It can be a photo from a vacation, a serene landscape, or even a branded image for work purposes. After selecting your image, click Open, and it will appear among the background options in Zoom. Ensure that you've selected it by clicking on the image in the list. Now, you're all set. This custom image will be the new background seen by everyone during your Zoom meetings. Before you close the settings, take a moment to check how everything looks. Make any necessary adjustments to the image placement or lighting to ensure it enhances rather than distracts from your video presence. By following these steps, you can create a professional or fun background that represents you in every meeting. Enjoy visually revamping your Zoom presence, and don't forget to regularly update your backgrounds to keep things fresh and engaging. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.